So guys, this is one of our lots that got just cleared waiting for underground plumbing, and we cannot pass inspections without this guy right here, which is duty call. Yep, that's what it's called, duty call. And believe it or not, the county does not let us pass inspections without the porta toilet here and the dumpster that's coming also today. So this is beautiful Citrus Springs, super quiet. Homes over there, those are new homes over there. Somebody's gonna build here. Those two are older homes, and this is gonna be our chateau model here in the in Citrus Springs. And as you can see, it is ready for underground plumbing. And duty call just got here to leave the porta toilet. So I'll show you the next one, guys. This is Hedgewood in beautiful Citrus Springs. Huge lot, by the way.